Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shabeth. If you're new here, subscribe, like, share. Today I'm just going to show you a very quick recipe on how to make stir-fry beef spaghetti or pasta. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you need red bell peppers, green bell peppers, onion, garlic and ginger. So here I've just chopped everything up, and of course you need spaghetti and oil. I already sliced the beef really thin, and then I marinated with curry, thyme, black pepper, a little bit of Knorr powder, or you can use the cube, and then salt. To a pot of boiling water, add salt. For the spaghetti, we're just going to parboil it a little bit, not completely cooked. I broke my spaghetti in half, but you can cook it as a whole, but I just wanted to break it in half. Stir the spaghetti to prevent it from sticking together. Then after it's boiled for about 4 to 5 minutes, pour it out in a sieve. The spaghetti, pasta, whichever one, you get the gist. But remember to save some of the pasta water because we're going to use it later on. Add oil to the pot. Let that heat up for a bit. Then you can add your chopped garlic and ginger to the oil. Add your beef and then fry until it is completely cooked. To the beef, add your onion and fry that for a bit as well. Add the chopped peppers. At this point, I'm just going to add all my spices: curry, thyme, black pepper, Knorr powder. If you don't have the powder, you can use the cube, and then I'm just going to add more pepper and then salt to taste. Here we're just gonna add the pasta water that was saved from the beginning, just a little, not too much. Add in your pasta and then mix everything properly. When everything is properly combined, cover and allow to simmer for about a minute, and then the pasta will be ready to serve. And there you have it, your beef stir-fry pasta or spaghetti, whichever one. Anyways, this is a very quick, easy recipe that you can try, and it tastes amazing as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.